It has been reported that controversial dancehall artist Alkaline's US visa was allegedly revoked on May 13, 2016 by the US Embassy. There are numerous reasons and speculation circulating to why the visa was revoked. It is reported that the US Embassy revoked his visa after he released a song called Save Yourself, advocating violence against homosexuals, in which he addressed Jamaica and the Caribbean nations by saying, "You can't change my pride, you cannot take my power." The decision by the embassy was deemed to be politically motivated. The reason sounded a little bit shaky, but I guess I would have to listen to the whole song to see if it was that violent or Alkaline was just exercising his freedom of speech. Others have speculated that this is a repercussion from Jamaica's refusal to cooperate in a US extradition of drug dealers. This makes no sense to me because that would be an issue between Jamaica and the US and not Alkaline as an individual. This was red flag number one for me and made me want to question whether this story was real or fake based on the reasons given. It is alleged that Alkaline dismissed the reasons as being a joke, but obviously the embassy saw it serious enough to revoke his visa. According to a report, Alkaline released a statement saying this: "I couldn't believe that the Jamaica government or the US government would violate the privacy rights of a citizen and publish their legal name, their date of birth, their actual Jamaican passport number, and the US visa control number. I did not believe it." People, let me make one thing clear. Whenever I do a video about Alkaline, I'm always a little bit skeptical unless I can verify it. I don't believe it. I would need to see a statement directly from the US Embassy stating that the artist's visa was indeed revoked. I would have to see Alkaline's passport with a big revoke stamp on the visa before I would say it is true. We must always take into consideration that people in media like to start rumors because it sells and equates to views. And Alkaline is infamous for trying to pull stunts for attention. So at this point I will say, wait for confirmation and wait for verification before we can say it is true. If this is true, Alkaline would join the list of artists who had their visas revoked, such as Beenie Man, Movada and Bounty Killer, amongst others. It is not a good look for dancehall and would be bad news for Alkaline and his fans worldwide and dancehall on a whole. Whether this story is true or not, let this be a warning and a reminder to dancehall artists that these people are serious about their agenda. So when you start banning certain people, remember you could be banning out that visa also. I sincerely hope that this story is just rumors and propaganda. Even though I might not agree with some of Alkaline's controversial antics, I think he's a very good artist and made some big songs, so I respect him as an artist. I would hate to see him grounded from the US. I wish him nothing but the best. Thanks once again for checking out my video. It is greatly appreciated. Please check out the website link in my profile banner. Please like, comment and subscribe. Bless up. One love.